Hello guys, today we're going to do a video on my 1960s vintage hooverette. I've had this for a few years and I've not used it much at all. It's in pretty nice condition apart from a lovely big black mark on the head which won't come off. Excuse my phone going. It's all original. Has the original ribbed flex on it. And the phone's going off, sorry about that. But it has the original ribbed flex on it, which is stored on the back of the cleaner. Unfortunately, the serial number has scraped off, but if anyone can date this for me, it says 232357. Not sure, maybe 1957, I'm not sure. But if anyone can date that for me, that would be cool. It's a 240 watt motor, so it's not very powerful. Here's underneath the head. It's in quite good condition. Probably needs refurbishing again, to be fair, as I only done it quickly. It's had its suppressor removed as well, and there's the brushes clipped in. There's the brushes out. We'll leave them in the floating position. Let's just take that out. Here's the head. It's got a longer neck than my other one had. It had a short plastic neck, the other one did. I do have the hose for this as well, and a dusting brush, but that's about it. Here's the original blue kind of anodised handle and wands. Well, you don't really come by these nowadays, but yeah, it's all nice and clean, of what I remember. There's the handle. It does need cleaning again, it's quite filthy where it's sat in the loft. And here's the main machine. It's quite a nice colour. It's like a light blue and a kind of dark blue. Very 60s styling with the red on-off rocker switch on it and the red Hoover logo. And the white finishes. We've got the chrome clips as well. Well, they're not even chrome, are they? They're metal clips on the side. Take this off. That reveals the end cap and quite dusty inner bag here. It does smell quite a bit actually, but there's the inside of that. So yeah, it needs another clean. It's quite dirty in there. This is when I was quite rubbish at refurbishing vacuum cleaners, when this was refurbished. So yeah, there we go. Some people like to have the wand clipped in like that, have it like that, but I prefer it the other way around, with the floor tool actually clipped there like that, because I don't know, I just prefer it that way. It's much better, and I think you get stronger suction power. So there we go. Let's plug this in and we'll give it a quick demo. Right, so here's my usual site of pudding rice. So let's see how this old cleaner picks it up. So here we go. So actually quite a lot of the rice has actually gone inside of the base plate on the head, so that's a pain in the bum. After the rice has gone, actually in here, one bit in there which there's one bit in there that doesn't seem to want to come out, so let's try again, shall we? Pick this little tiny bit up. So, there we go, finally picked it all up. Quickly unplug the vacuum. So, yeah, it done pretty well. And but bits are actually, well, falling out of the cleaner. Still got one tiny bit trapped in there. But, yeah, let's have a look in the machine. There's the thing. And here's the bag full of pudding rice. So we'll place that down there for the time being, and we'll quickly there's something went in there. So, well, there's a little bit of kind of muck in there, but we'll leave this vacuum cleaner down here. I'm ready to put that together. Put the well, actually I want to clean that bag out on that goblin, so we'll do that in a second. I'll just clip this all back together, and yeah, there we go. There was the hooverette from the 60s. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and bye for now.